Welcome students. So myself Mehmet Pasha, and today in this session we'll be continuing with the topic that is playing with numbers. So in last session we have discussed how to write numbers in general form, next reversing of 2 digits and 3 digits. So and we have discussed the letters for digit also. So in this session we will solve the exercise 1.1. Okay, we will solve the problems related to exercise 1.1. So this is the first question. So what they have given, 3a plus 25 is what? B2. So when we add 3a to 25, what we are getting? B2. So how to solve this? Okay, look at here. What is a digit at this place at ones place? 2, no? So just think here 5 is there. What has to be added to 5 to make it 2 at ones place? If we assume a as 0, then 0 plus 5 will be what? 5, but we want 2. If a is equals to 2, okay, then 2 plus 5 will be what? 7. But what we want? We want 2. Then what has to be added to 5 to make so that we can get 2 at one's place? Just think, what is that? So let us take if a is equals to 7, okay. So if a is equals to 7, that is 7 plus 5 will be equals to 10. Okay, 12. So we can get 2 at this one's place now. So let us take the value of a as 7 and rewrite it. So here 3 plus 7, 2 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12, 2, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, so see here. What is here? A plus 5 is what? 2. So when we take a as 7, we have got same the 2 at one's place. So here, what is the value of a and b then? Look at here. What is the at the place of b, which digit is there? 6. And at place of a, which digit is there? 7. Then the value of a is what? 7. And the value of b is what? 6. So this is the first problem. Now let us solve second one. Okay. So now let us solve second problem. Here there are 3 unknowns, A, B, C. So you need to find the value of A, B and C. So how to solve? Look at here, the digit at one's place. 3 is there now. So you see here, look at here, 8 is there. Then what has to be added to 8 in place of A so that you can get 3 here? So if A is equals to 0, then 0 plus 8 is what? 8. If A is equals to 1, if A is equals to 1, then 1 plus, then 1 plus 8 is what? 9. Okay, but so here 9 is there. So but what we want here is there. Then what has to be added? Just think, to get 3 at one's place, what has to be added to 8 so that we can get 3 here? Just think. So let us take a as 5. Okay, a as 5. So we can try 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, we have got 3 now at one's place. So now we will take the value of a as 5 and rewrite. Okay, so 4, 5, 9, 8. So 5 plus 8, 13. 3, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9 what? 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. Here 14. Okay, look at here. The value of a, what we have taken? 5. So when we take the value of a as 5, we are getting 3 at one's place. So it is correct. Then what is the value of a, b, c then? Look at here. What is the value of a? 5. Okay, then 5. Then what is the value of b here? What is the at b place? Which digit is there? Which is there? 4, no? So here the value of b is 4. And the value of c. Look at here. At c, which digit is there? 1. 1, no? So the value of c is what? 1. Okay, so it means that in this puzzle, the value of a is 5, b is 4 and c is 1. Let us solve third question. So here what is given? 1a into a. And what is the result? 9a. So when we multiply 1a with a, so we have to get 9a. So here we need to take the value of a such that when we multiply a with a, we have to get a at one's place. Okay, when we multiply a with a, we have to get to a at one's place. So let us take the value of a as 0. So here 1 into 0. So here a is 0, no? We have assumed a as 0. So 1 into 0, that is 10 into 0. And result will be what? 0. Look, listen here, look at here. So when we take a as 0, it will become 10. 10 into 0 will be 0. So this is wrong, no? Why? Because we are, what is we are having? We are having a 9a, we are having digit here, okay? We are having number. Now let us take a as 2. So here 1 into 2. Okay, so we have assumed a as 2. So 2, it will become 12. So 12 to is 24. Look at here. We have taken a as 2. So so it will become 12 into 2. So but we have, as we have taken the value of a as 2, we will not get here a. Okay. What we have got? We have got 4. But what we need to get here? We need to get here what? That is 2 a only. Okay. So when we multiply a with a, we need to get a only. So look at here. Here we have assumed a as 2. That is a as 2. So what we have got? We have got 4. We have not got here 2. Okay. So this is also wrong. So let us assume the value of a as 5. We have assumed a as 5. So 5 is 25. Okay, 5. So this condition satisfies. Okay. So when, as we have assumed the value of a as 5, when we multiply 5 into 5, we are getting 25. So here we have got 5 into 1 space. Okay. So here we have taken the value of 5. Okay. Let us assume the value of a as 5. So 5 5s are 25. So we have taken a as 5 and we have got the same. Okay. At 1 space also we have got a only, no? 5 into 5 is 25. But at 1 space we are getting 5. So let us try this one. 5 5s are 25. 5 to carry. 5 to carry. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5 plus 2. So 7. 5 1s are 5 plus 2. Okay. So what we have got? 75. 5 1s are 5 plus 2. 7. So 15 5s are 75. So see here. When we multiply, when we assume a as 5, 5 into 5, 25. Okay, so at one space 5 is there. Okay, no problem. But look at this digit. And look at here. What is there? The first digit is 9. This also we need to consider. We need not to consider only the digit which is at one space. We need to consider the digit which is at tens place also. Okay, so here first digit is what? 9. So this is also wrong. This is also wrong. So let us assume the value of a as 6. Okay, so let us assume the value of a as 6. So now let us assume the value of a as 6. So it will become 16. 6 6 are 36. 6. Okay, see here. We have taken a as 6 and when we multiply 6 into 6, we have got 6 at 1's place. Okay, we have got 6 at 1's place. So 6 6 are 36. 6, 3 remains. 6, 3 remains. Now 6 1 are 6. 6 1 are 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, 6 1 are 6 plus 3 is what? 9. So see here. This satisfies. This satisfies. As the first digit is 9. So here also first digit is 9. And as we have assumed the value of a here 6. So when we multiply a into a, that is 6 into 6, we have got 6 at the 1's place. Okay, so here, then what is the value of a and b then? Sorry, then what is the value of a? The value of a is what? 6. Okay, the value of a is what? 6. Let us solve 4th question. Okay, so here what is given? AB plus 37. So what is the result? 6a. So when we add AB to 37, what we have to get? We have to get 6a. So look at the problem carefully. Okay. So here, previously we have solved the questions. We have solved the puzzles in which the ones place they have given the ones place. They have given the digit at the ones place. But here they have not given the digit at ones place. They have not given digit. They have not given any digit at the ones place. So in this case, we cannot assume that let the value of b is 0 or let the value of b is 1, let the value of b is 5 or 6. We cannot assume like that. Why? Because we don't know what is the value of ones place. Okay, we don't know what is the digit at ones place. For example, if we assume b as 5, okay, so if we assume b as 5, so 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 will be what? 12. So we are getting 2 at ones place. Then how we know that the digit at ones place is 2? How we came to know that the digit is one places is 2? Okay, it is not correct. So we cannot take like this. Why? Because we don't know what is the digit at ones place. Okay, so for this kind of problems, what consider only this part. Listen here, look at here. Okay, so now here what is there? 6 is there. Okay, so here what is there here? 3. Let us try this one. So here 3 is there and it results are what is there? 6 is there. So in this case we have to add from left to right. In this case we have to add from left to right. Okay. So here what is there? Here 6 is there and here 3 is there. So now what must be the value of A so that we can get here 6? What must be the value of A so that we can get here 6? So if we assume A as 3, if we assume A as 3, then let us solve this one. Okay, so 3, if you take, so 3b plus 3, 7, 6, and we have assumed the value of A here 3, no? Okay, now look at here. What we have done, we have assumed that the value of 3. So as I told you, leave this part and consider this part. So here 6 is there and here 3 is there. So what has to be added to 3 to get 6? 3, no? Obviously 3. So let us assume as 3. Okay. So I added 3 plus 3, 6. So in this case we have to add from right to left. So in this kind of forms we have to add from right to left. Listen, 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Okay. So now come to this side. And what is the digit at one's place? 3 is there. Okay. What is the digit at one's place? 3 is there. Now let us try. What has to be added? What has to be added to 7 in place of B? What has to be added to 7 in place of B so that we can get 3 at one's place? If we assume B as 0, okay, so 0 plus 7 will be what? 7 only. 0 plus 7 will be 7 only. But so when we assume the value of B as 6, if we assume the value of B as 6, let us try. 3, 6, that is 36 plus 37. Okay, so 36 plus 37. So now 6 plus 7 is what? 13. So here 3 and here 1. So here 3 and here 1. Okay, 1 is carry. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So now look at here. Okay. Here at first place, okay, the first digit. So here the first digit is 7. But what is the first digit here? What is the value of first digit here? 6 is there, no? Then this will be wrong. This will be wrong. So we have assumed the value of a 3. Okay, so when we resolve it, we have got 73. But it is wrong. Why is it so? The condition is that at the tens place, that is the first digit is 6. So when we resolve, we have to get the same digit. So let us reduce the value of A. Okay, so let us reduce the value of A. Let us take the value of A as 2. Okay, so now if we take the value of A as 3, so we are not getting 6 at once first digit now. If we have taken the value of A as 3, then we are not getting 6 as first digit. So what we are getting? We are getting 7. So let us take A as 2. So here 2b plus 3, 7 is what? 62. Okay. So 2b plus 37 is what? 62. So now, okay, what? So at one's place, what is there? 2 is there. At one's place, what is there? 2 is there. So now, what has to be added in place of b to 7? What has to be added? Question mark. Okay, what has to be added in place of b to 7 so that we can get 2 at one's place? So if we taken b as 0, then 0 plus 7 will be 7. If we taken b as 1, then 1 plus 7 will be what? 8. If we want to get 2 means what we have to add? If we want to get 2 at 1's place, then what we need to add? Okay, so what we need to add to 7? So we need to add 5. Okay, so when we take the value of b as 5, if b is equals to 5, so when we take the value of b as 5, 5 plus 7 will be what? 12. So 5 plus 7 will be 12. So let us try this. Okay, let us resolve this. So now what I have taken? I have taken the value of a as 2 and I have taken the value of b as 5. Okay, so here 2, 5, 25 plus 37. Okay, so we have taken the value of a as 2 and b as 5. So now 5 plus 7 is what? 12. So 2, 1, carry. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. So 5 plus 7 is what? 12. So 2, 1 carry. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Satisfies, no? So this satisfies. So when we take the value of a as 2 and b as 5. Okay. So we are getting what we are getting? We are getting the 6 at 6 as a first digit. We are getting 6 as first digit. So this satisfies. So what is the value of a and b then? So here a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 5. Okay. So here students, so what we need to do? If you come across such kind of puzzles, so don't do the first part. So here in this kind of puzzles, we need to add the numbers from right to left. Okay, so here we need to add the numbers from right to left. Okay, see here. So what we have got? We have got the value of a as 2 and b as 5. Let's solve fifth question. So here there are 3 unknowns. So you need to find the value of a, b and c. So here a into b is what? So when we multiply ab with 3, what we have to get? We have to get c-a-b. So here we need to take the value of b such that when we multiply b with 3, we have to get b only. So we need to take the value of b such that when we multiply b with 3, we have to get b only. So let us take, so for this kind of problems, let us start from minimum value to maximum value. Okay, so let us assume b as 0. Okay, let us assume b as 0 and listen here. When we multiply a with 3, we have to get here a only. We have to get here what? A only. Okay. So if we take a as 1, so 1 into 3 will be what? 3. So when we take a as 1, okay, so when we take a as 1, so 1 into 3 will be what? 3 only, no? But we want? We have to get a as, when we multiply a with 3, we have to get a only, no? So let us take a as 5. Okay, so let us take a as 5. Why? Because 5 3 is 15. So we are getting 5 is at 1's place now. So because so that we can take the value of a as 5. So let us resolve this. Okay. So 5, 0, 15 into 3. So 0 3 is 0. Look at here. When we multiply b with 3, we have got b only. That is, when we multiply 0 with 3, we have got 0 only. Now 3 5 is 15. So when we are multiplying a with 3, what we have to get here digit a only, no? So 5 3 is 15. 5 3s are 15. So here, look at here. So we have assumed a as 5. So when we multiply a with 3, you have got here second digit as a only, no? So this is a solution. Okay. So here, what is the value of ABC then? What is the value of ABC here? So here, the value of A is what? What is the value of A? 5. Then the value of B is what? 0. And the value of C is what? 1. Okay.